Are you tired of the noise from an inefficient bath fan, but don't want to go to the trouble of patching the ceiling with a new installation? The Bath Fan Retrofit Kit, or BFRK, will turn your noisy fan into a quiet, efficient ventilator. The BFRK comes complete with everything required for installation. The Fantech BFRK comprises of 110 CFM fan, mounting bracket, two 3-inch to 4-inch increaser reducers, 8 feet of flexible insulated duct, 12 feet of 14-2 cable, mounting hardware and installation instructions. Before starting any installation, make sure that the electrical service to the fan is locked and in the off position, and do not restore power to the fan until the unit is completely installed. From inside the bathroom, remove the grill from the old bathroom fan. Disconnect the motor plug, remove the motor box and disconnect the wiring. It is good practice to prepare the flexible insulated duct and electrical connections on the fan before getting into the attic or crawl space. Install the 4-inch end of one of the reducers into the flexible duct, securing it with tape or a large band clamp. I prefer a band clamp as it gives you a nice tight fit. Slide it over the inner core, adjust it, tighten it up, and then we put this aside after tightening up for later. To wire your Fantech inline bath fan, remove the electrical box cover from the fan to expose the terminal strip inside, and you wire your cable into the terminals marked line, neutral and ground. So replace the electrical box cover and secure it. From the attic or crawl space where your bath fan is mounted, we're going to disconnect the 3-inch duct, remove an 8-foot section of it so we can install the flexible insulated duct. That's an 8-foot section. Install the flexible insulated duct with your increaser reducer. Make sure it's on and secure it with tape. Pull the insulation around it, make sure it's covered and the silver cover is over the top of it, covering all the insulation, and again we secure that with a piece of tape. Insert the new fan electrical wire into the old bath fan housing. At a suitable location in the attic, attach the fan with its mounting bracket to a crossmember or beam, securing the bracket with the 2 1-inch wood screws. Ensuring the bracket is secure. Attach the fan to the bracket using the short self-tapping steel screws. Attach the 4-inch flexible insulated duct to the inlet of the fan using tape or band clamp, ensuring it's on securely. In this case, that the clamp is tight. The cover is pulled up and secured by tape. Attach the 3-inch exhaust duct to the fan using the second increaser reducer, ensuring that it is secured with tape and doesn't leak. From inside the bathroom or space where the fan is, restore the electrical connections. Make sure they're out of the way, tucked up in the corner. Insert the electrical cover. And replace the fan motor panel. In this case, we have removed the motor for better airflow. Snap it into place and replace the grill. Restore power to the fan. Good airflow and so quiet you can hardly hear it. Fantech Bath Fan Retrofit Kit. Simple install, improved ventilation, and hear the difference.